Morning. Today we are going to cook the 2021-17 year cicadas, Old Bay style. We have some tendrils here and we are preparing the water to boil. Here we go. Okay, our water is boiling, so we're adding the Old Bay for our cicada boil. And now the cicadas.
It just died.
Just give that a little stir. Alexa, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
So we're just going to blanch those for 5 minutes and come back. Okay, we finished the boiling with the Old Bay. And
now
just time to eat.
Hey guys, Dad's about to eat a cicada. So, are you ready?
Here we go. Just taste kind of like the Old Bay green bean. Not
Yeah.
bad. Bye.
Bye.